APG Portable 2-in-1 Camping Stove, a versatile outdoor companion. Venturing into the great outdoors demands reliable and efficient gear, and the APG Portable 2-in-1 Camping Stove emerges as a versatile and indispensable tool for camping enthusiasts. With its dual functionality as a gas heater and cooking system, this APG stove is designed to elevate your outdoor experience. The APG Outdoor Gas Stove is a testament to innovation, providing campers with the convenience of a cooking stove and the warmth of a gas heater in one compact device. This portable stove seamlessly integrates into your camping gear, offering a 2-in-1 item that serves both practical and comfort needs. One of the outstanding advantages of the APG Camping Heater is its low energy consumption. The outdoor flat gas tank, with a capacity of 230 G, supports up to 3 hours at maximum firepower and approximately 5 hours at minimum firepower. This efficiency ensures that campers can enjoy extended heating or cooking sessions without the worry of running out of fuel. The 2-in-1 design of the APG Portable Stove makes it a versatile companion for outdoor adventures throughout the year. With the heating hood in place, it transforms into a propane-butane tent heater, providing warmth during chilly nights. Remove the hood, and it becomes a reliable APG camping stove, ready to cook up a delicious meal at the campsite. Safety and reliability are paramount in outdoor gear, and the APG Camping Heater excels in both aspects. The manual ignition mode and a power output of 2000 W ensure a quick and efficient start to your heating or cooking activities. The base diameter of 18.5 centimeters and a height of 21 centimeters make it a compact and stable addition to your camping setup, weighing approximately 0.91 kilograms for easy portability. The APG Camping Heater features a robust construction that withstands the rigors of outdoor use. Its adaptability to different functions, from heating to cooking, ensures that campers can maximize its utility across various scenarios. The removal of the heating hood effortlessly transitions it into a practical cooking system, ready to prepare meals in the heart of nature. In conclusion, the APG Portable 2-in-1 Camping Stove stands as a reliable and multifunctional companion for outdoor enthusiasts. With its dual heating and cooking capabilities, low energy consumption, and emphasis on safety, this APG stove ensures that campers can enjoy the comforts of warmth and delicious meals during their outdoor escapades. As a testament to its versatility, the APG Portable 2-in-1 Camping Stove proves to be an essential addition to any camper's arsenal, providing efficiency and convenience in one compact package.